Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Guys, you can see here in this steel structure design, which is specially for 4-story commercial building. You can see, guys, the size is 12 by 18 inches. You can see it's steel reinforcement. This is its long section. If you are working on construction site, if you are studying, so this short video can help you about steel structure design. Let's get started, guys. If you are new on this channel, so you may like the video and subscribe the channel for more civil engineering updates. The design is especially for 4-story commercial building. So first of all, I will tell you size of the column is here. Let me write here size of column is 12 by 18 inches, right? 12 by 18 inches. So if you see, guys, here we have two sections here. One is section A and the other one is section B. Section A is specially for normal longitudinal bars, and section B is specially for the overlapping. Guys, you can see in this long section, this is, if you see, this is B section and this is A section. In A section we don't have any overlapping length, okay, and B section we have, so therefore this is the second section B, right? So guys, if you see here, we have 12 number of steel rods, okay? So if you see 12 number of steel rods and the dia is 16 millimeter, or you can say 3 by 4 inches at bar, right? You can see clearly. And where on the other side, guys, you can see this is 3 by 8 bar, where you know very well, because this is 3 suture, and here this is 6 suture. You can see clearly, so about 16 millimeter, okay? Therefore, guys, the spacing is 4 inches center to center. On the other side, guys, if you see, and this is the second section. So now let me guide you for the foundation first of all, and you will know very well about the other details. So this is column C1. So this is column C1 specially. So for the column C1, guys, you can see we did the PCC with the thickness of 3 inches. Here, this is with the thickness of 3 inches, 148. So the bed depth is here 18 inches. This is the bed depth, which is 18 inches. You can see the longitudinal bars, and this is the plinth beam. You can see clearly, and this is floor, first floor, right? And here, guys, you can see the lapping length. So from the first floor to the second floor, the height is 11 feet and 6 inches, okay? Because 6 inches is the thickness of RCC slab. So next, guys, you can see clearly the section A. So for the section A, we are using this section, and for the section B, we are using this plan, okay? So the steel reinforcement, everything is same, but here you can see we have two bars, okay? You can see the empty bar, which can show you the lapping length. So here you can see clearly. So the lap splice, guys, you can see you can get from the value of, as I discussed in many videos, from 40 to 60D. You can use, where D as die of steel rod. So if that is 16 millimeter, multiply 40, okay? So you will get the lapping length. So this is for that. So on the top of this, guys, you can see from the dotted lines, this is slab, thickness is 6 inches, which is roof, and this is beam, which depth is 12 inches. 12 inches plus slab is 6 inches, so it's going up to 18 inches. So this is for the beam, right? On the other side, guys, you can see these are the stirrups. The stirrup dia is 3 suture with the spacing of 4 inches, and you can see the other hooks, and hooks are bent on 135 degree with the length of 4 inches here. Normally you can use 3 inches, right? On the other side, guys, you can see this is the beam, and here this is slab, because this is floor beam, and you can see the floor beam is here, guys. You can see this is 5 feet, because here we have the beam, the first floor, and also you can see this is the beam, 6 feet here. So the total depth is, you can see our height is 11 feet and 6 inches. This is column details. On the other side, guys, you can see this is the other section. You can see clearly, as I discussed before. So if you are working on construction site, so this video can help you about the steel reinforcement and its size. This is especially for 4-story commercial building. Before starting the steel structure design, we did the bearing capacity test. After the bearing capacity, we did the different analysis. From that analysis, we decided the size of the column 12 by 18 inches inside steel reinforcement, where we required 12 numbers of steel rods. The dia is 16 millimeter and the stirrup dia is 3 sutar, you can say, with the spacing of 4 inches center to center. We also got it the value especially for the lap splice or lapping length, you can say. So minimum it should be 1 meter or from 40 to 60 D mean die of steel rod. You can get this video. The column C details also we have. So guys, this is a short video in which we find it the size of the column inside steel reinforcement. So how you can read. So these are the details which I have discussed in front of you. In next video I will guide you for the typical reinforcement details. Okay, hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.